Paneer lovers, this one's for you. Today we're bringing you not one but three rich and delicious paneer recipes straight from Indian kitchens. From creamy Paneer Lababdar to spicy Paneer Kali Mirch and finally the ever iconic Paneer Makhani. Get ready to add some royal flavors to your plate. Let's start with Paneer Lababdar, a restaurant style favorite. For this, first heat oil in a karai and saute whole spices for 2 minutes. Now add onions, ginger, garlic and chilies. Season with salt and cook until the onions turn golden brown. Next, toast in tomatoes, water, cashew nuts and Kashmiri chilies and cook until the tomatoes soften. Now add tomato puree and melon seeds. Cook for 5 minutes, then remove from heat. Once cooled, puree the masala until smooth. Now heat butter in a pan, saute ginger, add the prepared masala and water. Stir in garam masala, cream and finally the paneer cubes. Mix gently and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now serve hot, garnished with fresh coriander, grated paneer and cream. Rich, creamy and so delicious. Next up is Paneer Kali Mirch, a peppery delight with a subtle kick. Cut paneer into cubes, coat them with corn flour and pan fry till golden and crisp. In the same pan, add ghee, whole spices, onion, garlic, ginger and chilies. Sprinkle salt and saute until the onions turn soft. Let it cool for 10 minutes, then blend into a smooth sauce. Now bring the sauce back to the pan, add cashew paste and dahi and cook for 5 minutes. Stir in cream, freshly ground black pepper and garam masala. Finally, add back the paneer cubes, season with salt if needed and finish with coriander. Now serve hot, garnish with coriander and chili flakes. This dish is all about bold flavors with a touch of heat. And finally, the king of paneer dishes, Paneer Makhani. Begin by heating mustard oil until it smokes, then let it cool slightly to remove its pungency. Now add green cardamom, cinnamon and star anise, followed by butter. Once melted, stir in red chili powder, then chop tomatoes with a little salt. Now cover and cook until the tomatoes soften. Now add garam masala, water and kasuri methi. Stir well. Now add fresh cream for richness, followed by honey for that signature hint of sweetness. Now add paneer cubes, mix everything gently and finish with cream and chopped coriander. Smooth, buttery and perfectly balanced Paneer Makhani never disappoints. Now there you have it, 3 irresistible paneer recipes to elevate any meal. Whether you love the creamy goodness of lababdar, the peppery punch of Kali Mirch or the buttery comfort of Makhani, these dishes are guaranteed to impress. Try them at home and treat yourself to restaurant-style flavors right from your kitchen. For more such easy recipes, like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.